Landon! Landon! Are we going to go this way? Let's go this way then. Here, hold on. Let me get over here. Okay. Hey, bud. Come this way. We're going to go get your Easter basket. Come on. Why are you laying on the floor? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, silly? We have a surprise in here. You just taking a little break?
Come on, Leah.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Why are you crawling?
Why are you crawling? You don't crawl anymore. No. Look. Come here. Look.
Landon.
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 Look at this.
What's different in this?
Landon, look at this. Look. Yeah, it's kind of weird that we got you a snake for Easter. Okay, look at that, honey. Look. That's for you. It's a snake. What does the snake say? What does it say? Look. It's a snake.
Mommy really likes snakes.
No.
She reminds me of Eve.
Stop. It is kind of strange that we got. Yeah, look, those are crayons for you to play with. They're for your age. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You're excited about those, aren't you? What? Oh. Okay.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Landon.
Landon, look, there's more stuff. Look at this.
Landon. Whoa.
Oh, remember this in the store? See? You like it on your face. You like it on your face. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Landon, come get it. Yeah, gonna get it on you. Whoa! Come get it. Oh. Ah! Is it scary? Is it weird? Does it feel weird? Get it? What is it? You don't do not like it?
I don't think you like it.
I don't think you... Go get it. No?
You just said no to you, Mommy.
Yes. Did you say no?
No.
Yes. There's another snake. You can grow that one. There's Easter eggs. What is that one? Yeah. Aww.
Happy Easter,
Happy
kiddo.
Easter, Landon.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi. Okay, Landon. Say bye. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Landon. Landon.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Say Happy Easter.